Welcome back to Shib everyone. Shoshi just made his identify known. Twitter user at Shiba Inu holder Drew conjectured that, in a message published by Shiba Inu head developer Shoshi Kusama in January 2022, Shoshi is alluding to something for the SHIB community's upcoming new cooperation, which is set to arrive in the form of a parabolic SHIB news. Shoshi concluded his somewhat cryptic message by adding that once disclosed, the real fun begins. In this video, we will talk about his conversation with his mentor, during which they agreed that by the end of 2022, it will be difficult for him to remain invisible. Shoshi just made his identify known. Before we go any further, let's start the video. Taken literally, it looks like Shoshi will reveal his identity, but doing so does not fit with expectations, leading some onlookers to read between the lines on Christmas Eve. Shibu is going to go parabolic SHIB news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Sharam will arrive very soon, according to Shoshi, who also hinted that it would be published soon after the new year. Sharam is a crucial step in transforming shibainu into more than just a memory coin and an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. Feature includes the ability to host metaverse and gaming applications, as well as the release of the SHI stable coin, which was selected at 0.01. Shiba Inu founder Roshi deleted all of his social media and article posts on Monday, raising concerns about the project's future. Recent blog posts on the Shibu ecosystem have covered multiple articles on SHIB the metaverse, specifically on concept art reveals of various locations within the virtual world. Year-to-date losses for the SHIB token come in at 76%, which is similar to the drawdowns seen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. In reaction to Rossi's apparent abandonment of Shiba Inu, he refrained from making any public remarks on the subject and has not updated his Twitter account. Developer Shoshi from Lee shared his opinions in a response on Medium. In an attempt to allay fears, Shoshi clarified that he had no knowledge of Roshi's departure, but that he had taken over the project and was carrying out Roshi's vision, which includes treating Shiba with a bone talisman. In the previous 24 hours, the price of the Shiba Inu has moved south on its chart. Swap Shai Sharam and Setup SHIB meetups, and eventually a ShibaCon SHIB, gained 3% over the previous week. However, the meme currency did not see any increases and lost a few support lines after nearly losing 6% of its market value. SHIB has now developed a pattern suggesting that an upside breakout in the coin's price may occur within the next day. According to the technicals, the coin may fall on its chart over the next few trading sessions before moving to the upside. Outlook still shows bearish indications on the daily chart. Sellers have controlled the price for the majority of this month. Buyers must step in to save the SHIB. SHIB's trading volume decreased, confirming the idea that there are now few buyers in the market. The meme coin is expected to witness a rally due to a breakout. The first local support stood at 0.0076, after which the meme coin is expected to break out. The breakout will cause the Shiba Inu price to rally to 0.824, and clearing that resistance will take the coin to 0.86. SHIB is trading 90% below its all-time high, which the coin secured almost a year ago. Over the past week, the Shiba Inu price fell from the 0.82 support line. The Shiba Inu is expected to fall below the 0.00008 level as buying strength remains low. The decrease in shibainu exchanged during the previous session accounts for the low number of purchasers. After the recent price decline, SHIB was in the seller's dominance zone in November and December, with the relative index falling below the 40 mark. At the time of publishing, the indicator's readings show that sellers outnumbered purchasers, indicating bearishness on the same note because of a lack of demand. If SHIB stays above the 0.00008 level, the meme coin will move over the 20 SMA. SHIB moved below the 20 SMA, indicating that sellers were driving the price movement in the market. Aside from SHIB, other technical indications given the potential for the SHIB's value to decline on its chart. The parabolic S shows the asset's price direction and trend. The indicator was above the price candlesticks, indicating that the price is still declining. The convergence of the moving average price momentum and trend reversals are illustrated by divergence. The fact that MACD kept painting red histograms suggested that traders should sell, since it would suggest that SHIB prices may rise in 2022. The market for cryptocurrencies typically did not shine the brightest. A lot of things occurred in addition to a continuous bear market that maintained low cryptocurrency prices. At the moment, the prices of most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and other altcoins, are between 60% and 90% lower than their all-time highs. Shibainu, the second largest meme coin, is not an exception in this case. It is currently unclear who the mysterious person hiding behind the name is, but in one of the most recent tweets by Twitter user SHIB, a screenshot has been shared with some interesting information. The screenshot shows a message by Kama on Discord, in which he states that he was talking to his mentor and that they both agree that by the end of the year, it will become impossible to remain invisible. The message was sent on January 21, 2022, and 2022 is almost about to come to a close in a few days. He also states that you don't just align and disrupt an industry and stay invisible, after which the real fun begins. Only time will tell if Kama will follow through on his words and reveal his true identity to the world, despite its indiscerned Shiboru is quickly evolving into a value-based blockchain. But in order to do so, it needs to rely less on legacy protocols like Ethereum, which is why Shiboru, the network's Layer 2 blockchain solution, was developed. Given that high gas prices and poor throughput capabilities are the main complaints against Ethereum, since Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum, the launch of Shorem means that the majority of SHIB transactions that occur on Ethereum will now occur on Shorem. This is a significant development. Although Ethereum recently switched to a POS network, its transaction speed has not increased significantly. As a result, one of Shorem's goals is to use Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution and increase Shiba's new scalability. In addition to offering reduced fees and faster transaction processing speeds, Shorem also has a number of other benefits. However, it is important to note that the launch of Shorem will make transaction fees extremely minimal, with the majority of these fees going toward burning SHIB tokens. According to the network team, Shorem will also offer a burning technique for SHIB tokens. Reducing the amount of SHIB in circulation is one option to make it a utility token. According to SHIB burn data, over 40% of SHIB tokens have been burned since the network's debut, but the amount of tokens in circulation is still too much, which prevents SHIB from being used as a utility token. Since DEPs are among the most popular topics of conversation, SHIB developers want to make sure that Shorem is one of the most sought-after networks for DS development. Subjects related to cryptocurrency that the development team thinks will allow Shorem to actively participate in the metaverse. Supporters refer to it as the future of the digital age and a fresh approach to online communication. Meanwhile, chief developer Kuzama of Shib's Anonymous says the launch of Shorem will occur soon, but he did not provide a particular release date. Kuzama has been making similar statements about the upcoming debut of Shorem for several months. This is not the first time he has said as much. SHIB prices will probably increase as a result of the Shorem introduction, since it will expand the token's applications. Because of the faster and more economical transaction processing speeds, there would be more applications for SHIB. Consequently, the SHIB in a related development, the community anticipates that the SHIB will trade at 0.01 once Shorem launches. The highly anticipated SHIBA Eternity game was released early last month, according to SHIB creators, as part of Shorem's performance testing phase. The image of the SHIB bearing a moniker Roshi, the creator, intended for bone whale holders to have no advantage over other bone holders. But that goal was thwarted as Bone served as the reward token for the SHIBASwap D. That concludes our coverage for today. Remember to give us a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content. Additionally, according to the information currently available on the network's website, Bone will serve as the main utility token for Shorem.